Archibald Alexander, politician. Archibald Alexander, 1755 September 12, 1822, was an American physician and politician from Newcastle County, Delaware, near the city of Newcastle. He was a veteran of the American Revolution and a member of the Democratic-Republican Party who served in the Delaware General Assembly. Early life. Alexander was born in 1755 in Virginia into an Ulster Scots family and moved to Newcastle County, Delaware, when he was a small boy. He attended Newark Academy and studied medicine under Matthew Wilson. He was a member of the Presbyterian Church. During the American Revolution, Alexander first served in the state militia but soon after joined the 10th Virginia Regiment of the Continental Army as a surgeon. After 2 years, he left the army to serve as a privateer out of Norfolk. Eventually his ship was captured, and he was taken prisoner, serving out the remainder of the war in a prison ship in New York Harbor. Career. After the war, Alexander returned to Newcastle County and practiced medicine. He was also active in the Democratic-Republican Party and was its first candidate for governor of Delaware in 1795. He was able to carry heavily Presbyterian Newcastle County, but lost the remainder of the state and the election to Federalist Gunning Bedford. Sr. A wealthy man, he was a supporter of banks and a founder of the Farmers' Bank of Delaware. He also led the effort to have a controversial bridge built over the Christiana River in Christiana, Delaware. Death. Alexander died on September 12, 1822 in Newcastle County. He is buried at the Emmanuel Episcopal Church Cemetery. Public offices. Election results.